Today's topic is dihybrid cross. We had a discussion on monohybrid cross in the previous class where only one character was considered. Here in dihybrid cross, we consider two characters at a time. Now let us take from the 7 pair characters, two important characters we'll discuss here. One is shape of seed. There are two types of shape we can observe. One is round seed, then another is wrinkled seed. Round is having a smooth round structure, wrinkle is having a little bit the structure like this. And the other is color of seed, yellow, green. So in this dihybrid cross, we consider two characters at a time. Now, if I cross a round seeded plant with wrinkled seeded plant, I'm getting in the F1 always round one. From this we can make out that round character is actually dominant. This character is dominant. The same way, if I cross yellow seeded plant with green seeded plant, in the first generation I am getting always yellow color. Again from that I can make out that yellow color is dominant. Now if you are taking the crosses, we have to assign letters for that. For example, round character is given a capital letter R. So for wrinkled we will give small r. We are using same letters indicate that these two are of same gene. I am not giving small w or I am not giving different letter for wrinkled, just to make sure that round and wrinkled, these together one character, that is shape. Both the allele capital R as well as small r represent one gene. That gene is shape of the seed. Now for the next one, that is color. For color there are two characters, that is yellow and green. I use capital Y and small y. I am using capital Y just to make sure that yellow is dominant. And same letter का small letter use कर रहे हैं, actually tells us that both belong to same gene, capital Y, small y. These are two alleles of gene color of the seed. In the introduction I told you, gene means a small fragment of DNA present on a chromosome. The difference between capital R and small r is not much different. Both are found on the same location on a pair of homologous chromosomes. The main difference between them is they have some variation in their sequence. It shows a phenotypic difference between them. Now we'll see the dihybrid cross. I'm taking first parent 1. They are round yellow. Parent round yellow is crossed with wrinkled green. Let us see the gametes formed. Before that we should know the genotype. Round yellow is pure round yellow. So both the alleles are of same kind. Wrinkled green is also pure. Gametes will be formed only one kind here. The first generation genotype of individual will be capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Plant is having a phenotype round yellow. If we self-pollinate, again what are the types of gametes could be formed here? There may be different combinations like capital R, capital Y, capital R and small r, capital and small y. How this comes, I'll tell you. 4 क्रोमोसोम है, इसके ऊपर ये जीन बैठा हुआ है. The genes are capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. At the time of gamete formation, we know as per law of segregation, homologous chromosomes get separated or the alleles get segregated. When the alleles get segregated, there are possibility that capital R can have form gamete along with capital R and capital Y. If they are formed one group, the other group will be small r, small y. One more type of segregation can happen where this capital R can go along with this small y. If capital R and small y move together, we can have small r and capital Y together in the other gamete. This is the actual reason behind formation of four types of gametes. This Punnett square explains us the different type of combination of springs which can form during the second generation. I'll take first example. First example, we can say this is round yellow. We can have 16 different combinations. First, we'll see phenotypic ratio. 9 round yellow, then round green, it is 3. Next is wrinkled yellow, that is 3, and wrinkled green 1. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Here we are going to discuss the next law, that is law of independent assortment. You see, in the parents the combination was round yellow and wrinkled green. These were the first parents that we have selected. When we go for the second generation, we are getting two more combination, that is round green and wrinkled yellow. We are getting four different phenotypes. We can say the roundness character is seen along with yellow. The roundness is also seen with green. Same way, wrinkled along with green and wrinkled along with yellow. These four combinations are only possible if the character roundness and the character wrinkledness, the character yellow, the character green, all these characters move independently. If they are moving independently, then only all these four combinations are possible. This proves that factors are moving from one generation to another independently. This is the law of independent assortment. Capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. First combination. Only one is seen in that kind. That is the first one. Next combination, if you take, that is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. If you take that one, you will find two kinds are seen. एक ये है, एक ये है. Third combination देखते हैं, capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. You can find one this and the other one here. Okay, so there are again two. Next combination is capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. 1, 2, 3, 4. Combination is capital R, small y. This is of 1. Next combination, let us take capital R, small y. You can see two of them. The another combination is small r, capital Y. We can see this small r, capital Y, small y. There are two. Last one is small r, small y, which is of one kind. So 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. 2 is to 2 is to 2 is to 2. And the last is 4. This is the genotypic ratio of dihybrid cross.